Now let's start with the video. In this video, we will be learning completely about the associate trainee in the LTM entry. There were many comments in my previous video to explain this associate training in the LTM entry. So now I am making the video in this uh, domain. Okay, associate training. So watch till the end and gain the knowledge. So let's start the video. So first of all, what is an associate trainee? So it is the I will use here highlighter. Okay, so it is the entry level position for the fresh graduates. It what is it? It is the entry level position. It may be in the any domain like in testing, cloud, or cyber security or the development. It is the entry level, like fresher, not the experience. When you join the associate trainee, you are the fresher. Okay, so second is the it is the bridge between college and corporate world. So it is the bridge between your college and the corporate world. When you do the associate training, then you get familiar with the real IT world. Okay. Third is the learn, train, and work in real projects under mentors. So when you are in the associate training program, then you learn with the team members, and with the team you get train and you upskill your knowledge in the particular field. So the third is the objective of the role. Why are you joining this associate training and what is the objective? So the first objective you can see is that the to build a strong foundation in IT skills. Okay, and this training is must because you are currently a college pass out. Okay, so you are lacking in the real world projects and the IT industry, so this training helps you to understand the basic knowledge and to gain the foundation in the IT skills. So second is the to understand company processes and client projects. So in this program they give you projects which are currently ongoing in the company and which are given by the clients. You work under the team and you complete the projects to gain the experience. So the third point now is to prepare for future roles like engineer or consultant. Why are the company providing you this training? Because for the future roles in the company or the position in the company, they are making you sustaining and upskill, so that when you are means you are promoted to the next level, then you can handle every task easily. So next is the training phase and how the training is conducted. So there are two types of training phases. First is the classroom and then is the online training. Okay, so in classroom they are giving you the real projects to uh, gain the experience, and in the online training they are teaching you the communication skills like English and other things like how to behave with the team and how to collaborate, how to put your knowledge in the teams. So second now is the focus on basic IT concepts and the domain knowledge. So in this training phase, they are making you means they are making you collaborate with the IT concepts and the domain knowledge and communication, which will help you in the IT companies. Third is the regular assessment and mock test. In this training phase, they will be conducting with the regular assessments and mock tests to help you gain knowledge in a deep way. So now the work responsibilities. Okay, this is the main section. What are the work and the other things you will be doing? So first is the monitoring system. You will be monitoring the system, handling support tickets, and the second is the documentation and reporting. You will be making the documents on the current projects, tasks, and then reporting to the team members. Okay, now the third is the learning projects, tools assisting in tasks, communicating with teams or clients. Okay, you will be communicating with the teams and telling the current project work and the other things. Okay, so the most important thing, what are the required technical skills? So the first is the you must be knowing the basic IT knowledge like networking, OS, operating system, okay, and software. So I will tell you in short that in deep, okay. I will make it this video somewhat long, but I will cover entire thing, okay. So in networking, the you must be knowing the transport control layer and how the different OSM model layers are working together, which packet is transferring and how the packet transfer is conducted. In operating system, there are many concepts like paging, how the paging is working, and like that, okay. And in software, you must be uh, knowing the theory part, how is the software working, the basic files and other things. The second is the programming basic, okay. The most important part in this technical skill is the programming basics. You must be
So, the required technical skills in the programming is the Java, Python, and C++. So, these are the three language you must be knowing. Okay, means either of the three like Java, Python, C++, you must be knowing at least one. So for example, in Java you must be familiar with the object oriented programming, the the collections, the hash set, the multi-threading and other things. How what are functions, methods, difference between class and the methods, functions, okay, all that things, how to create the object. In Python, you must be knowing how to use the object oriented programming, and also you must be familiar with the other concepts like list, comprehensions, okay, lambda functions, generators, decorators, all things. And in C++, you must be knowing the object oriented programming and also the how to use pointers and other things. So the third is the cloud or infrastructure awareness. So you must be familiar with the cloud and the technologies used in cloud. Okay. So in cloud, you must not be knowing the complete knowledge and all the things in cloud. You must be familiar with at least the theory part. So the fourth is the SQL, Excel or scripting. It is the added advantage. Okay. When you are knowing the SQL, then it is like a bonus because SQL is used in the backend, so you can get more exposure to other positions like backend and other things. Okay, so in SQL there are concepts like joins, aggregate function, analytical functions, and how to find the maximum salary. Like these are asked in interviews and other things. Okay, so you must be familiar with this and uh, how to fetch the data and the records. Okay, so you must learn this. Okay, I will make a complete video about what are the questions asked in SQL. So next part is the soft skills needed. So first is that you must be a good English communicator. The second is the teamwork and adaptability to adapt the new skills and to work on other projects. Third is the problem solving attitude. You must be solving problem to get the optimum solution. Fourth is the time management and willingness to learn. In this program you must save time and complete the projects in time, and you must be willing to learn every time in the program. So now the eligibility criteria, this is the main section, and many students were asking what are the degree required to get this position. So first is the BCA, BSc, BCS, BE, BTech. These are the graduation degrees you must be pursuing. And apart from this, there may be other fields like ENTC and other. So for particular degrees you must be go on that particular website, particular position to apply before, okay, to check before apply. Then the good academic record 50%, and third no active backlogs, and fourth willing to relocate, work in shifts. Okay, so first is the good academic record. You must be 50% in throughout your career like 10th, 12th, and in graduation you must be having 6 and upper CGPA or SGPA. Okay, and there must be no active backlogs. Okay, if you are having current backlog, then you must clear. Okay, and if you are applying for the job and then at that time you are having backlog, then you must put means like if your exam is next month, okay, so you must put like you have cleared. Okay, if you are having guarantee to clear the backlog. Okay, so like that. Conclusion: the associate training role is your first step into the IT world. Yes, and work hard, learn continuously, and you can grow fast. Okay, this was from my side, and also I was telling you that there is also one more thing I want to say. It is the salary expectation. So the salary you will be getting is like from, it will be start from 3, and maximum you will be having 5.5, or till it can go to 6. Okay, for fresher it is the salary. And if you are, if we, they like your work in the training phase, then they may hire you for the pre-placement offer and like that. So when you are getting this job, you must be continuously learn, so you can guarantee your position. So thank you. And if you like this video, please subscribe, because I want to make new videos, but if there is no subscribers, I am getting demotivated. So for these like videos, must subscribe and share. So thanks.